Ooh. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nester, as you'll see at Real Nesters. And today, I'm welcoming you guys back for another unboxing and product review. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know we like to bring you the latest cool products or share with you guys our little mini Christmases, as I like to call it, when we order products. And then here on this channel, the Thomas family, we reviewed them for you. And if you'd like to also check out our James and Crystal channel where we do vlogs. But today, I'm going to review this product. And if you like this product, check the link down below. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's your favorite Real Nester, Crystal. Yes, I know I'm everybody's favorite. The hubby might be funny, but I'm the favorite. Okay. Anyway, today, I have a review for you guys for the AquaOasis. Oh, there we go. Yes, AquaOasis. It's a cool mist humidifier. We've been trying to get one of these things since 1902, y'all know. But anyway, so we're going to unbox this. We're not going to really necessarily do a review, but it's an unboxing. Okay, so also, let's see. It says it is for dry air relief. It's 2.2 liters large capacity. Operates in virtual silence. That's because for most people, they put these things in their room. It says 12 to 24 hour working time, automatic shut off, lifetime warranty, wide range of coverage. There you go. See all of that? That's what they say. And they said AquaOasis cool mist humidifier. Feel the difference. That's right, y'all. I just did that commercial for them. But anyway, let's see what we got in this box. Register lifetime warranty. Text lifetime to this number. I think I'm going to do that because you know what? A lot of times we don't do this. Oh, can y'all see it? The light. Oh, okay. The light. There we go. Oh, the black part's better. All right. So this is what it looks like when we open it. We have a little manual and some kind of little spout in this package. A manual and a spout. All the light is, you might need to turn the light down a notch because it is gleaming. There we go. So here we go. And that's what it looks like. So we're going to slightly turn it. Oh, it's very light, ladies and gentlemen. It's very light. My cameraman, you guys, don't know what to say about him sometimes. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Here's the top. That's what it looks like with the top off of it. And it looks like it has some kind of springy. So they're telling you you can use it for your baby, in your home office, in your bedroom. And let's look at some instructions, you guys. They don't have the quick instructions on the box. Those are the ones I like. The quick, easy instructions. Those are the instructions. It's just telling you what you can use it for. Yeah, I gotta actually read, you guys. I want to load it up in front of you guys so we can see together how it starts. It gave us a little brush for some cleaning. And then we got a little sprout. This is better for you guys to see the brush. See the little brush there. Hold on. There we go. Little brushy. Little spout. And it just told me I can't put essential oils in here. I don't know. The hubby picked this because I would have made sure essential oils can go in it. So, user manual. I just want to get to the part where we started up. To keep the unit operating normally, please follow all the proper instructions. All right. Don't gotta be mean about it. Place the humidifier horizontally on a firm flat place. Check. Then it says, lift up the water tank and unscrew the tank cap and fill with tap water where the indicator arrow reads add water here. All right, before I make a mess of myself, let me read the next instructions. All right. Screw the tank top back on carefully, wipe excess water drops around the unit, and mount the water tank back onto the unit. Connect your unit to a power outlet. Okay, so we've got to do that after the fact. So, step 4, plug it in, turn it on, adjust the humidifier levels by dialing the notch. When the tank runs out of water, our built-in auto shut-off function will turn off humidifier automatically, and the indicator will change to red once the tank runs out of water. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so it goes on like these. My handy dandy husband assistant. Here the water. And again, I will repeat, it holds 2 liters of water. I do not think we're gonna do the full 2 liters right now. Wait a minute, maybe. There we go. Sometimes you can't multitask. You can't multitask when you're talking at the same time. Well, I can't. Anyway. So here's the little cap you put back on. I feel a little leakage somewhere on my hand. I don't know if that came from my spill or is it actually leaking. Alright. So it says wipe all your excess. Right? And we want to get this mess up too, because that's not nice. Alright. You gotta clean your space, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm gonna, oh, there's some water in here. Okay. So it goes back like so. Oh, that wasn't a lot of water. I thought it was 2 liters. Okay. It's making blah, blah, blah bubbles. I don't know if y'all can see that. See that? There you go. So the water went down into this body here. So we could have put more water in there. For any children watching this, do not touch the electronics after you use water. That's not a good thing to do. But I can do that. You can't do that. So I'm going to plug this into my socket. Like so. And then let's cut this baby on. And ladies and gentlemen, I had to make a little pit stop so I can raise this up. Y'all didn't get to see the fullness of all the water that's in here. I've put it on the box so that it get reach higher so you guys can see. So now we have the water, and this is cool water that we put in here. It doesn't really say you have to put it in one way or the other. Oh, there you go. See the coolness. It's cool too. Yeah, pretty cool. It just say turn the dial on. Adjust the humidifier levels by dialing the notch to your preference. So it just says power and low. So y'all see how much it looks like a fog light. Then if we go this way, y'all see it go lighter, and that's off. Okay, when the tank runs out of water, yeah, it doesn't really tell you. You can turn it all the way. The dot is right here. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little green light. Here we go. Yeah, there it is. There's a green light. And they said that light will turn red when it needs water. Because evidently, even though you fill this tank, the water drips down inside of here. And that's what's making the mist. But as y'all see, I mean, the mist is really cool. We actually were looking forward to this because evidently we got dry air in our room. So, again, you can turn it up. We can have a party with this, you guys. Get 2 or 3 of these. Oh, anyway, I'm gonna turn and we can just let it be. That's a nice little light mist, not too freaky, scare people. That's a nice little light mist there. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, this is the unboxing of the AquaOasis to feel the difference. And anyway, this concludes my video. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, as always, for spending time with me, your favorite real nester, Crystal Real Nester. And you guys go check this out. I'll comment down below. For those of you who've already have this, let us know how you like it, how long you've had it, if you had any issues cleaning it and all that kind of stuff. And for those of you who have the one with the essential oils, comment down below because I might need to get another one. Anyway, don't forget to give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. And also, the link for this item, as always, is down in the comments. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.